How to apply for loan on Wells Fargo app. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you through the process of applying for a loan using the Wells Fargo app or the website. So it's a straightforward and efficient procedure, so ensure that you pay close attention. Instead of demonstrating through the process through the app, I'll be showcasing on the Wells Fargo website, that is wellsfargo.com. This is a recommended method for requesting a loan from Wells Fargo. So to begin, access the Wells Fargo website on your phone or computer using a web browser and log into your account. From the home page, navigate to either home loans or the personal loans according to your preference. So let's go to personal loans. And you will be directed to a page with on-screen instructions that you must follow to locate a branch or determine your eligibility for the loan. Depending on your selection, you may need to log into your Wells Fargo account as a customer or locate a branch if you're not a customer. Regardless of your choice, the process will involve entering all of the required information, including amount to borrow, term of the loan, and purpose of the loan. If you have a satisfactory credit score and meet the necessary criteria, you can proceed with applying for the loan through Wells Fargo. So this was all about how to apply for the loans on Wells Fargo app. If you found this video to be informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.